After 7 years of living in China, this still surprises me. All of these places are in the subway. In China, subways hit different. They're like completely different worlds. You can actually spend a whole day in a subway station and never even leave. Let me show you. We just passed a very famous coffee shop called Luckin. There's some other drink areas here too. And then once we go in here, it's like a huge grocery store. They got everything from drinks and snacks, even from other countries. Here, let me show you some of the international snacks they have here. They're all really, really cheap. I'm just gonna show you some of the other snacks they have here. They have nuts, they have cookies. Cucumber flavored chips are really popular here, but I've really come to enjoy them. The lime flavor, not so much. These Korean honey butter flavor are some of my favorites. You must try them. Alright, let's move on from the snacks and go to the next section.
Here. And then here's shampoo and facial products and dental products. And then here's the masks. And then let's say you want some towels. Because why not, right? And some hand wipes. And towels, here we go. You can get some detergent, toothbrushes if you're traveling. They got everything here, everything you can think of.
Alright, this is a really famous store called Green Party. You can buy all kinds of things here for kids.
And if you want to buy a phone here, you can. Straight in the subway.
Alright, over here you got some
This
jewelry.
is a major brand here called Xiaomi. They got phones, they got everything you can think of. They got air conditioners, they got hair dryers, laptops. Even got mops and vacuums, air purifiers, fans, doors, all in the convenience of getting it in a subway. You can even buy glasses here if you want, because why not? Another company here called Vivo. They also make phones and smartwatches. And another one called Honor. Now if you want more snacks and toys, you can come here. It's quite a popular brand here. And again, they sell a bunch of facial products and snacks and pretty much anything you can think of. Again, in the subway, which is the amazing part. By the hour, which is what a lot of kids do, and they enjoy it. And it's also safe here. Parents leave their kids and then they go about their shopping and eating. This is the food court, bakery. Milk teas. Pretty typical food court area.
It's really nice and beautiful out here. It's a nice chill spot. There's restaurants, and then when you go upstairs, there's even more restaurants and more drink areas. For some reason, gelato is becoming really popular in China, and that brand is actually everywhere. So this whole area is called Brew Town. And as you can see, there's coffee shops, there's tea shops, there's ice cream, there's all kinds of cool hangout spots here. I got this fermented rice and lemon tea, and it's really, really refreshing. Follow for more China content.